Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Ally Bank, fast setup step by step clearly. To use Zelle with Ally Bank, start by ensuring you have an Ally Bank account. Download the Ally mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Ally app and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers section on the main menu. Look for the Zelle option within the Transfers menu. Tap on Get Started to initiate the Zelle setup process. You may be asked to accept the terms and conditions for using Zelle. Next, provide the email address or mobile number you want to link to your Zelle account. This is the information others will use to send you money. You may receive a verification code via text or email, enter it to confirm. Once verified, your Zelle account will be connected to your Ally Bank account. To send money, go back to the Transfers section and select Zelle. Choose the recipient from your contacts or enter their email or phone number. Enter the amount you wish to send and add an optional message if needed. Review the details and confirm the transaction. To receive money, simply share your registered email or mobile number with the sender. You'll receive a notification when money is sent to you via Zelle. You can view your transaction history within the app to keep track of your Zelle activities. Feel free to reach out to Ally Bank's customer support if you encounter any issues during setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.